What's up, guys? Today, I want to do a general overview of Crabada, the next crypto game that has taken the Avalanche ecosystem by storm. Let's get into it. So, what is Crabada? Actually, it's more than just a game. I would think of it more like a mini economy that incentivizes its users to hold and try to acquire more of its currency through gamified actions. Let's first look at the different tokens and their uses. First, we have the Crabada token, or CRA. CRA is a governance token that will be rewarded via staking and playing the game for about the first 2 to 3 months. CRA has a max supply of 1 billion and an initial price of 0.018 cents. The initial distribution went as follows: 6% in a private round vested for 1 year, 6% in community bootstrap event with no vest, 20% to an ecosystem fund with 50% having no vesting period and 50% unlocking after 1 year. 30% will be distributed via play to earn over about 3 months, 13% goes to staking rewards, 5% goes to initial liquidity, and roughly 20% is under the control of the developers directly with a 2-year vesting schedule. Then we have TUS. TUS is the in-game currency earned via playing the game in the form of mining, looting, and lending crabs via the tavern. From what I've read, there doesn't seem to be a max supply of the TUS token. However, using TUS to do certain things does burn it, removing it from circulation permanently. Before you can take part in this, you have to own a Crabada NFT. If you don't already have one, these crabs at present go for between $1,500 and $2 million. Crab breeding mechanics get very complicated, and I'm not going to go into that today. But if you have any questions, you should head over to the MoreCoin Discord. If you have any questions about this or any other project, or want to talk with myself or other yield farmers, head over to the MoreCoin Discord by clicking the link in the description below. Okay, back to it. Once you have your Crabada squad, you have a couple of ways to turn them into productive assets. First, let's take a look at the type of idle activities you can take part in to earn CRA and TUS. Mining expeditions allow you to send a team of 3 Crabada to a vacant mine to get you rewards. By default, each mining expedition takes 4 hours and returns a reward of 3.75 CRA and 303.75 TUS once completed. Looting missions allow you to send a team of 3 Crabada to an occupied mine to battle the occupants for rewards. Each looting mission will take between 1 to 2.5 hours, depending on whether the mining party sends reinforcements to defend their mine. Looting missions are a risky endeavor compared to regular mining. The game rewards such behavior with a small bounty. Regardless of the mission's results, a looting party will earn a bounty of 0.3 CRA and 24.3 TUS. A successful looting mission would result in stealing 65% of the mining party's rewards for a sum of 2.4375 CRA and 197.4375 TUS. If you want to lend or hire your Crabada, you can do so at the tavern. The lender sets the fee for their Crabada, plus you pay a 10% fee to the tavern, which is burned if you're the borrower. All Crabada are returned to the tavern unharmed after a battle, regardless of the outcome. When we come to their Twitter, we can see that they have 19,000 followers and engage every day with what would appear to be an active community. On the Explorer, we can see that there are currently almost 12,000 holders of the CRA token, and that the vast majority of the tokens are held in smart contracts. So let me give you my thoughts on this project. I mean, I like it. I think they have done a great job of creating a mini and useful economy for their tokens. Also, based on current prices, you can make over $100 a day in just TUS by mining with your Crabada. I'm personally not in this because I'm in other things right now and I don't have unlimited capital to invest in every project that I think has merit. But if I can get a good deal on a Crabada, I might just do it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, or come and let's discuss in the MoreCoin Discord. Next, you should check out this video here. I'll see you in the next video, and we can keep talking about getting more coins.